Yo, what's going on everybody? It's your boy Supreme Nige here, coming at y'all with a brand new unboxing video finally. I'm finally bringing you guys my Supreme Cross box logo unboxing. But wait, there's more. We got a couple more packages to unbox within this video as well. We got a couple sneaker dubs, one for the personal, one for the resale. You guys will see later in the video. I do want to apologize for not uploading this last week. I did not really make a live cop for the last Supreme week, so I'm just going to be unboxing some sneaker pickups and then my Supreme Cross box logo in this video. So definitely stick through the whole video to see what I got. So I'm going to save the Cross box logo. This one I'm going to unbox here. This is going to be a little baby Yeezy Boost 350. This one's going to be that black red, that restock. This is a size 8 infants right there, as you can see. Normal Yeezy 350 Boost box there. But what I did get these on, I think, the Adidas app. I did sign up for all 3 of the raffles. It dropped in a full family size and I went for every single raffles and I was only able to hit on the infants one. Unfortunately, I was not get one in my size, but I will go ahead and unbox, take these guys out here. Oh, these are so tiny and so cute. Well, there it is, the Yeezy 350 bread, black red, the tags right there. But yeah, everything feels legit on this shoe. Boost is real nice and squishy. Everything basically looks what a normal size Yeezy would look like, but in a mini form basically. But this one does not have the infinity lacing. It just has like the normal regular lacing on that. I wonder if these actually came with more laces, different laces. Let me check. Probably not, because it's most probably going to be supposed to be black and it is just infant. Yeah, okay, so no, they did not come with any extra laces. Let me go ahead and throw those back in the box. So these will be eventually up for resale. Also, I do want to mention, if you guys want to check out my resale page, I do have a Grailed and eBay. I will link those down in the description below if you guys want to go check me out. Moving on, I'm running out of camera juice, so I'll go ahead and get right on into the box logo unboxing here. If you guys want to see my live cop that I got this with SwiftSole, I will go ahead and post that link right there or in the description below. So definitely go check out that, how I was able to secure this. But boom, here we are. We got the Cross box logo in the black, obviously. This is gonna be in size small. These box logos are actually pretty damn big. I was just expecting a smaller, but I don't know. But there it is. This is definitely going to be for the resale because I obviously can't fit into a size small. This is a size XL, so I'm not going to unds this, unfortunately, so I can't really show you guys up close photos. But yeah, that is the Cross box logo in black. And now here we go, getting on to the personal. You guys can probably tell what these are just by looking at the box. These are going to be the Air Jordan 11 Jubilee 25th anniversary. I did manage to get these on a shock drop, but these aren't the ones that I got on the shock drop. I sold those other ones a little bit ago, and then I also got these from Finish Line. I went and picked those up a couple days ago. And then I also, on the actual release day, I did catch quite a few dubs with my bot. I did catch like a three clip on that, and then I also got 2 manual, one on the sneakers app, one on Kith. So I'm basically gonna have 5 of these coming in all different sizes. Grade school, men's, women's, I don't know. It dropped in a whole bunch of different sizes. It was kind of a weird release, to be honest, but here we go. I'll show you guys this here. There is the Air Jordan 11 Jubilee. Right on the paper it says 2020 and then 1995. So this shoe is basically going to be celebrating 25 years of the Jordan 11, but here it is. Very, very nice clean shoe. Has like a metallic chrome Jordan Jumpman logo right there. kind of more of like a rubbery, kind of more metallic-y, rubbery kind of thing right there. So hopefully these actually won't fall off. These feel like pretty high quality. And then of course you have your classic leather right there. And then on the bottom, we have more of like a milky kind of cream color outsole with, of course, the carbon fiber right there. Got to give it the tap there. Then you can see the translucent Jumpman logo on the inside there, and also the pattern of the carbon fiber. But also, which is very, very nice about this shoe, they did put a lot of thought into it. Well, I don't know if they put a lot of thought, but they did put a nice detail where I don't know if you guys can tell, but there is Jordan spelled out along the side here and on here, which many 11s don't really have that, so which I do think that's a very nice feature. And then the actual band across the tongue is leather, real leather right there, and has like embossed writing. I can't really figure out what it says. It says Jordan on one side and then something on the other side. I can't really make that out, but they did the metallic kind of theme all the way around with that. Very, very nice clean shoe. So I'll go ahead and give you guys some nice close-up shots and on-feet view with some nice background music. I'll show you guys that, and then I'll be back. Alright guys, that is gonna be it for this unboxing little video. I hope you all enjoyed. Please drop a like if you did, and please subscribe to the channel if you have not already. That'll be much, much appreciated for your boy. Also, let me know down in the comments below whether you guys were going for this Jubilee and if you guys caught a W or an L. My overall first impressions of this shoe, they are very, very nice, very fire, very comfortable, and very high quality. So I do like them a lot. I do believe they will go up in price in the future, so definitely hold on to your pairs as much as possible. But yeah, that's gonna be it for this video. Hope you all enjoyed. Please drop a like if you did. Please subscribe to the channel, and that would be much appreciated. Peace out, guys.